Hello. This is Hiva from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 33 of Beginner course. As the title suggests, today we will learn how to attach a ring socket snaps. This type of snap is commonly used in Leathercraft, and I think most of you have seen it before. In Leathercraft, we use two main types of snap, glove snaps and ring socket snaps. We already covered the glove snaps on day 16, so after learning today's method, you will have mastered both types of snaps used in Leathercraft. Ring socket snaps come in different sizes, the smaller size called line 20 and larger size called line 24. Today, we will work with line 20 snap to explain the setting process. Let's dive in! First, let's talk about the parts of snap. A ring socket snap consists of 4 parts. These two are female parts, and these two are male parts. Next, let's cover the tools. To attach a ring socket snap, you will need the following tools: snap setting base, ring socket snap setter for line 20, 2mm or 1/16 inches hole punch, and mallet. Unlike glove snaps, which need 2 different setters, ring socket snaps only need 1 setter. Now, we've covered the parts of ring socket snaps and the tools. Let's start setting snaps. Let's start with attaching the male snap. First, use a 2mm or 1/16 inches hole punch to create a hole. Once you punch holes, let's set the male snap. Insert this hood part into the hole from the back. And press the setting base upside down. And position the post onto the base. And place other male parts onto the hood part. Then the foot comes out of the hole in the center of the male part like this. So align the snap setter vertically on the foot. And tap it with a mallet about 7 to 8 times. Once attached, twist the snap to check if it rotates. If it rotates, tap it again until it gets secure. That's how to attach male snaps. Now, let's move on to the setting female snaps. The process is the same as the male snap. Punch the hole using a 2mm or 1/16 inches hole punch. Then, set this female snap into the hole. And place it onto the matched glove of the setting base. And place the other female snap over it. And align the snap setter vertically to the foot. And tap it with a mallet 7 to 8 times. Once you attach the snap, twist the snap to check to see if the snap spins. That's how to set the snaps. Now, let's snap them together. If you hear this click sound, it means the snap is properly set. That's all for today. How was it? Now that we've covered both glove snaps and ring socket snaps, you can use these snaps in your Leathercraft project. However, each snap has its strengths and weakness. So in the next lesson, we will compare these two snaps and discuss when to use each one. This will help you making the best choice for your project. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give me a like and subscribe for more Leathercraft tips. See you in the next lesson. Bye!